Hello Starmaker friends, here is another quick tip. For today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how you can share a cover and how you can repost a cover. After opening the cover that you'd like to share, go ahead and click on this little icon here. Sometimes it looks like this and sometimes it looks like this. Now you can see at the top I had to blur these for privacy reasons, but these are actually people on Starmaker. People that you have interacted with or people that you're friends with. If you want to send it to one of them, go ahead and find the little avatar and click on it. If the person that you're looking for isn't in that little shortcut area that they're giving you, click on Friends and it will give you a big long list of your friends, and there's a search bar at the top that you can type in their name and search them like that. If you're looking to share this on social media, you'll see all these social media icons, and you can also slide them over to see what else is in there. And if you're looking to share this in a different way, you can tap on the copy link button, and then that will copy to your phone's clipboard, and then you can paste it wherever it is that you're sending it. And finally, if you're looking to repost the cover, go ahead and tap on the repost button, and then that will end up in your moments on your profile page. This has been Rachelini Starmaker Quick Tips. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any ideas for future tutorials, let me know in the comments.